Hello and welcome back, everybody. Go ahead and get your pencil or your marker ready. We're going to go ahead and write out our 3s, our 4s, and our 6s to practice our math facts. On your mark, get set, go. All right, I didn't quite get finished. Go ahead and finish yours. And then we'll go ahead and start off chanting our 3s. Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more. 18, 21, 24 score. 27, 30, almost done. 33, 36, counting 3s is fun. Let's do it one more time as I erase it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more. 18, 21, 24 score. 27, 30, almost done. 33, 36, counting 3s is fun. 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, hey. 20, 24, 28, okay. 32, 36, 40, that's right. 44, 48, we're counting 4s all night. Nice job. One more time as I erase it. 4, 8, 12, 16, hey. 20, 24, 28, okay. 32, 36, 40, that's right. 44, 48, we're counting 4s all night. 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha. 66, 72, we're great at 6s math. One more time as I erase it. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha. 66, 72, we're great at 6s math. Nice job. The next thing I'd like you to do is write out your 7s. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do so. If you don't remember them, you can copy them as I write them. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Let's chant our 7s. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow. Moo. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting 7s is really lots of fun. One more time as I erase it. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow. Moo. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting 7s is really lots of fun. Nice job, everybody. Now we're going to do our multiplication. I'd like you to write down 2,498 times 6. I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and solve this. On your mark, get set, go. If you need more time than what I give you, you can always pause the video too. Nice job. Here we go. 6 times 2, 612. I'm going to add on my 3 zeros. If you're not finished, you can keep working. 6 times 4, 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 times 9, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54. I still have to remember to add on my zeros. 6 times 8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Nice job. Now I have to remember to line up all my numbers, which is usually where kids make their mistake. So it might help if you count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go from the right hand side and write them backward. That helps to keep them lined up. But however you want to do it, just as long as you make sure that the numbers are lined up by place value. We're going to go ahead and add this. 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then bring down my 1. My answer is 14,988. So this right here is the place value method, and this place value method takes a little longer to do. Next, I'm going to show you the standard method. This method is usually used in late 4th grade and into 5th grade. Here we go. You start from the bottom, you go up. 6 times 8. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. 48 is a 2-digit number. We cannot put both numbers down on the bottom. We only put the first one, 8. We're going to regroup or carry the 4, just like we would in addition. But here it will be a little different. Whenever you put something up here, you're going to be adding it. Okay, so we did 6 times 8, which is 48. Then you're going to go to the next number, 6 times 9. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54. My answer is 54. Now I have to add on the 4. If you don't know your touch points, you can add on the 4 off to the side. That's fine. But I just like to count on the 4. So 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. My total is 58. Just like I did with the 48, I'm going to put my 8 down below, regroup and carry my 5. If you notice, so far, my numbers match. Okay? The next one we're going to do is 6 times 4. 6 times 4, 6, 12, 18, 24. Plus 5, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm going to put my 9 down, and I'm going to carry my 2. Now if you notice, I keep putting a little plus sign in front of my numbers. I do that to remind myself to add after I multiply. Finally, I'm going to do 6 times 2. 6 times 2, 6, 12. 13, 14. Now, there are no more numbers. Once you get to the last number, whatever answer you get, you write the whole thing down. Okay? And there we have it. Our answers match. 14,988, 14,988. Both of these methods take a little bit of time and have a lot of steps. If you got this wrong, do not get discouraged. There are a lot of places to make mistakes in these types of problems. What you need to remember is to slow yourself down and to be very deliberate. It means you have to be very careful about where you place everything in your next step. And the only way you get better is by practicing it a whole lot. That's why we keep reviewing it in these lessons. So you just keep your chin up. And if you did get it right, that's well done. If these don't match, that's okay, just as long as you're learning where you made your mistake, and that will help your brain remember not to make it again. All right, I'm going to erase my board and chant my sevens at the same time. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow, move. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. A large multi-digit number. I would like you to read this number for me, please. Can you read that number? That says 207,842. One more time. 207,842. Nice job. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go ahead and write that number in expanded form. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. The first number you're going to write is 200,000. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers behind the 2. So you're going to need 5 zeros. The next one that's going to come is 7,000. The 7, there's 1, 2, 3 numbers behind it. Then there's 800. There's 1, 2 numbers behind the 800. And then 40 with just a 2, so that's 1 0 plus 2. So we have 200,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 2. Nice job. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow, move. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. Nice job. I'm going to give you a mixed number. Please go ahead and draw a picture of it and put it on a number line. I'm going to give you a minute to do so. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. I have 3 fraction bars with 8 pieces in each because I need 2 for the whole number and 1 for the fraction. I'm going to color 2 of these all the way in to represent my 2 whole numbers. This is 1 fraction bar. We'll do the next one. This is the second one. And here I'm going to color in 3, and this one will represent the 3/8. So there's my picture. When I write it on a number line, 2 will be my first number, 3 will be my next one because 2 comes after 3. Now I'm going to split this into eighths. 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 7 slices to make 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3. This is 2 and 3/8. Nice job. Just to review, you didn't have to do this. We're going to turn this into an improper fraction. 2 times 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. I multiply 2 times 8 and then I add the 3. So it's 19 over 8. Nice job. Go ahead and check your answer. I'm going to chant as I erase this, and then we're going to practice turning mixed numbers into improper fractions. Here we go. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow. Move. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. Go and get your pencil or your marker ready, and I'm going to give you some problems. I want 3 and 2 sevenths, and 4 and 1 fifth. I'm going to go ahead and give you 30 seconds. I want you to change those into improper fractions. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. 3 times 7. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more. 18, 21. Or, since we know our sevens, that would have been faster. 7, 14, 21. 22, 23. We have 23 over 7. Nice job. 4 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. 21. 21 over 5. Go ahead and check your answer. Don't forget that when you're doing this, you multiply the whole number by the denominator, and then you add the top. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and erase this. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow. Move. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. All right, we have 22 over 3. We're going to change this into a mixed number by dividing it. We're going to put 22 over here, put our 3 over here. Let's count out our 3's until we get to 22 without going over. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more. 18, 21, 24. 24 is too high, so we have 5, 6, 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. That's what we said. Minus 2, 1. That's going to be a 0, so you don't have to worry about that. So it's going to be 7 and 1/3. Nice job. Now I'm going to give you one to work on your own. 32 over 5. I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and do that. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35 is too high because I have to stop at 32. So that's 5, 6. 5 times 6, I said 30. And then I'm going to subtract it. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0, and I don't have to worry about that. So it's 6 and 2 fifths. Nice job. I'm going to go ahead and erase my board and chant my sevens. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a count. Move. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. Nice job. All right, if you remember, this is called a decimal. This is the ones place value. This is the tenths. This is the hundredths. And this is the thousandths. Remember, it all depends on how many numbers you have behind the decimal. The very first thing I'd like you to practice is reading these numbers. What would you say for this number right here? 2 and 4/10. Because I said tenths, I know there's only one number here. What would I say for this right here? 1 and 267 thousandths. I know it's thousandths because there's three numbers. 1 and 267 thousandths. What would you say for this one? 4 and 17 hundredths, because there's two numbers. Nice job. So it all depends on how many numbers are behind the decimal. If there's 1, you say tenths. If there's 2, you say hundredths. If there's 3, you say thousandths. All right. I'd like you to write the following number. 6 and 51 hundredths. 6 and 51 hundredths. 6 and 51 hundredths, because there were two numbers, because I said hundredths, and hundredths has, and 100 has two zeros. Here's your next one. 2 and 8 tenths. 2 and 8 tenths. 2 and 8 tenths. Here we go. 2 and 8 tenths. Nice job. Your next one is 9 and 406 thousandths. 9 and 406 thousandths. There's 9 and I said thousandths, so I need 3 place values. And it's okay to write that out. 406. If you had this is 460. If you had this is 46. 406 thousandths. Nice job. There's one more thing that I want to show you today in this lesson in regard to decimals. Sometimes decimals don't have a number in front of the decimal, so instead they have a 0. When they have a 0, we don't say 0 and. You can in your head to help you remember, but this number right here is just 4/10. When you only hear the decimal, it means that you have to put the 0 in front. So if I said 56 hundredths, I know that 56 hundredths has to go behind the decimal, so I write 56. I can add the decimal in the front. I didn't hear a number and, so if it's just 56 hundredths, I just add a 0 in front. If I hear 117 thousandths, 117 thousandths, I hear thousandths, I know I need 3 place values, 117, and since I didn't hear a number and, I add a 0. So this is important to know because in the real world and in class and with your teacher, they will not say 0 and. They'll just say 4/10. And when they only say the decimal, you're allowed to add that decimal and put the 0 in the front. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for all your time and attention today. You're doing so well. Don't forget that there's extra practice available after the video, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much.